Today we are going to see how we can create an S3 bucket and how we can upload the data, and we'll try to delete some data as well. So first, right now we are at AWS Management Console, and from the services we can go to the S3 bucket. We can search it from the services, whatever service we need to go. And right now, as you see, there is no S3 bucket, so we'll go to the create bucket option, and here I'll give it a test bucket name, and I want to create it into the region this, and I'll just want to black all the public access. So this bucket would be the private one, and only I can uh, okay okay. And here is something like you can only create a bucket that should be, okay, now I'll okay, that should be, unique across AWS account, like, so I'll just create this bucket and then click on the create bucket option, and you can see that my bucket is created already. So I'll go into that bucket, and here you can see a lot of options like properties, permission management, and access point. So in this video we are just going to check about how if we can upload any object or not. So I'll upload this CloudFront cache image, and I'll just click on upload. So as you can see, it is 100% successful, and you can see the image here. Alright, and there are multiple options. You can host your static website from this option. You can change your permissions, whom to give the permission. You can make this bucket as a public as well. You can make a replication that will replicate the object of this bucket to some different bucket in some different region as well. So what I'll do now, I'll just go to the AWS S3 now, and I'll just try to delete the bucket so that we can know how. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to tell you. This bucket is not empty. Bucket must be empty before they can be deleted. So from now onwards, you have to empty your bucket before you can go with deleting of the bucket. So we'll just click on the empty the bucket. I'll give the name here, copy it from here, and then I click on the empty. So the data is very less, it's around 309 KB, so it has deleted very fastly now. And then I'll just exit it, and then I'll try to delete the bucket again. Okay, so there are some warnings that it cannot be undone, and also like if you delete it, another AWS user can use this name. So as this is for testing purpose, I just want to show you how you can delete the bucket. You just give the name here and click on the delete bucket. So the catch here is that you need to empty the bucket, and only then the data, the bucket can be deleted. Thank you.